So today we are going to see the list of a rumor and a confirmed girlfriends of one of the most charming actor in the Korean industry, Ji Chang-wook, and all are the confirmed or rumor. So we are going to start the video and look out how many girls have been linked up with him and is it true or not. On number 1 we have the Ji Chang-wook and Ha Ji-won. After starring in the drama series Empress Ki, the Ha Ji-won and Ji Chang-wook were rumored to be dating. Some fans noted how Chang-wook was full of praise with her co-star, leading them to speculate that the two were dating. The Chang-wook even hinted that an age difference does not matter with him as long as they can communicate with each other, leading this more fans believe that they have a romance in the real life too. In interview he said that she is a really good listener and she gave me a lot of advice. He said this during an Empress Ki press conference. She gave me suggestion on how to do things differently. She is very responsive too. She laughs a lot, so the filming is very great with her. But neither till they both have not denied and not accepted their relationship. After that we have the Park Min-yeon and Ji Chang-wook. Another rumored girlfriend of Ji Chang-wook is his healer co-star Park Min-young. Some fans noted how Chang-wook and Min-young were really close even the cameras were not rolling during their filming, and they took lots of pictures together and even posted on their Instagram account. This was the first time when both the actor or actress were posting the photos with their co-star, and so fans was really concerned with the thing, but they also not confirm yet anything. After that we have the Kim Joo-ri. The Ji Chang-wook and a former Miss Korea Kim Joo-ri were rumored to be dating. The circulated rumor told how the duo has the same jewelry like necklace and sunglasses, and stated they maybe are dating in the real life to have the kind of similarities. The dating rumor between the both have circulated, however actually it's unfounded. A representative of a Ji Chang-wook company stated that Ji Chang-wook and Kim Joo-ri are just close friends and hang out often with their mutual friends, and there is nothing going between them. So this rumor was denied from the side of a Ji Chang-wook, and while it was completely rumor, it is confirmed. After that we have the Ji Chang-wook and I.M. Yuna. The both chemistry was great in the drama series The K2, which led to the suspicion that they are dating in real life too. However, the Ji Chang-wook denied the rumor, saying this were all are untrue. He said that there is not anything special between them except they have the close Oppa Dong-sang relationship and they really enjoy the filming with each other, but they are not more than friends. So this is another rumor which was denied from Ji Chang-wook. After that we have Nam Ji-yoon and Ji Chang-wook. Due to their amazing chemistry and kisses in the drama Suspicious Partner, the fans are starting to think that they were a couple. The Chang-wook shared in one interview that during the drama promotion that he acted comfortably around Nam Ji-yoon despite their age gap. However, there were no confirmation regarding this that they are dating or not, and this suspense is still the death. And the middle of the 2020 it was confirmed that both are going to be married, but again there was no confirmation in anything. So till the date it is a mystery that they are a couple or not, but fans and everything hopes that they are such a cute couple because they're really good, very perfect with each other. After that we have the Ji Chang-wook and Kim Yoo-jung. The Ji Chang-wook and Kim Yoo-jung became close after the Backstreet Rookie drama. After the ending of a drama, the Ji Chang-wook and Kim Yoo-jung became extremely close to each other. According to the friends, the two always keep a close relationship with each other, regularly testing each other about their health because of their open-minded personalities. The two easily makes the friends. Furthermore, the two actors talk about their chemistry on set and reveal that they were both shy at first. The Chang-wook shared that I still remember our first meeting. We both were very shy. The two of we didn't talk much about it and added that they were finally getting closer, becoming natural when filming together. The actor continued by saying that Yoo-jung is very considerate, so I am very grateful to her and I have a good time while filming. In addition, he said our chemistry is also very good. The Kim Yoo-jung also responded, I think I laughed during the filming. The Ji Chang-wook added, not always but at least 90%. He also said we couldn't help laughing while looking at each other and relying on each other while filming. But yeah, they both denied the relationship rumor and also they accepted that they are very close friends to each other.